There's my 2002 Ford Explorer getting vacuumed out here at the Kleen Car Wash. Alright, I guess it's time to go in and pay. Well, main lobby area. Here, car wash. There's the brushes. Yep. There's the main lobby area at the car wash. Hi, I'm back again. I got my vehicle this time.
Bring coupon back?
Yep. Oh, no, the coupon. Yep.
There you are, done.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. My vehicle's right back there. You might like this video, Mingo, I'm not sure. My vehicle's about to go into the track. Right there, my 2002 Ford Explorer is about to go on the track. Yep, there it is. There it is, right there. Yep, there it goes. Yep, there it goes. It's ready to go through the wash. Zoom in. Now windows are too foggy. Hello.
Taking notes?
No, I'm taking video. That's actually my car right there.
Ah.
Yep.
Oh, how fun.
Yep. When storm changing the other week, it got all muddy, so I'm washing it off today. I'm uploading this video on my YouTube account to show some of my friends. Ooh, that light's blinding right there.
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from here, from Newark.
Okay. And how did you get involved?
I became a volunteer about two and a half years ago.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And how far do you travel? Do you stay local?
I try to stay local. Sometimes I go out of the city.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
That is exciting.
Yep.
others out in the same group with you?
No, it's just me.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And how did you get involved? I'm sorry to ask you some
It's
questions.
okay. I got involved when I was about 18.
Okay.
Well, actually 17 actually.
Well, I was going to say you don't look too much older than that.
Yeah.
How do you get certified? Like,
I took training at the National Weather Service.
is that done locally?
Yeah, actually, I went down to Wilmington and took my training, and I got certified.
Well, that's just an exciting little tidbit.
Yep, and my car looks 100% cleaner than it did a couple weeks ago.
Awesome.
Thanks. Yep. That looks like my vehicle looks cleaner than it did.
Well, that's a good thing, right?
Yep.
Now, do you keep track of your mileage and all that kind of stuff? How do you do that?
I usually keep like a vlog
Okay.
of how far I go, how far I travel, and how long I travel for.
Awesome.
Yep. Yep.
Well, good luck.
Thank you. I told you I'd be back again.
Oh no, I've seen you.
Yep. What do you think of my
This one
chase?
yours?
Yep, this is mine.
Wow.
You want to see one of my twister probes?
Oh yeah. Two things? Oh yeah.
Yeah. Cool, huh? Well, I got some soap up here.
Yeah, it's a wax. Don't wipe it out when we do it.
All right. Hi. Well, there you go, Mangle.